This is one of my favorite infinite combos, and this will exercise the new moves that you've gotten, and I feel like this is both choreographically beautiful as well as a fantastic drill, because you go through both directions of both the air wrap and the spiral, and then you reverse continuously between them. So all you do is air wrap, spiral, tap back, change direction to the other air wrap, and then the other spiral, and when you come out of it, you're in the original direction. So it's just 4 moves, and you're changing direction with the bounce back on the hand and the spiral each time. Does that make sense? For years, there's a reason that I do it, and it's because I want to have balance with my movement. So the point of it was to get the moves better and to get balance. So, but if you're struggling with the air wrap, in the direction you're struggling, I would say shoot for at least getting 10 in a row first, right? And then after you can do 10 in a row, if you're still struggling when you go back into it, do 10 in a row in the other direction and see and make sure that you can do that before you try and put the whole thing together. Now, if you're struggling with the air wrap or with the spiral, then what I would say is work on these where you extend the hands, come back together, close it, extend the hand, come back together, rather than circle, 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 spiral. Circle, 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 spiral. Get to the point where you can just go from one to the other. But expanding your hands in the middle so that you have enough time to switch the orientation from the hand that's on top to the hand that's on bottom. So that'll help you with the combination as a whole.